How to start an LLC in Florida. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can form an LLC in Florida step by step from the name selection and filing articles of organization to appointing a registered agent and understanding post-filing obligations. So let's get started. For this tutorial, we're going to use the platform of Busy. So basically, whether you're launching a small side hustle, opening a store, or building the next big thing, forming an LLC is one of the smartest first steps you can take for your business. And the best part is that you can do it entirely online from the comfort of your home using Busy. So the question is why registering an LLC matters. Now, before we jump into the tool, let's quickly talk about forming an LLC is important. Forming an LLC that is limited liability company separates your personal finances from your business. That means you're protected from personal liability. You gain credibility with customers and partners. You can open a business bank account, get funding, and file taxes more professionally. So, an LLC gives your business a legit legal identity, even if you're just starting out solo. So, why use Busy to register your LLC? Busy, which is formerly InSfile, is one of the most beginner-friendly and cost-effective LLC formation platforms available. So, here are the top reasons to use Busy. First, it is free LLC formation service. You only pay the Florida state filing fee. It has 1 year of free registered agent service, which is required by law in Florida. It has easy online process. There's no paperwork, no printing, no mailing, real-time name availability search, access to useful add-ons like EIN registration, business email, and domain setup. It is transparent pricing and no hidden fees. You can get started for as little as a state fee of, let's say, $125, and even that is handled through the platform. There is no legal team or law degree required. So basically, you gotta head over to busy.com, and once you do so, you will be redirected to an interface that would look something like this. So here it says launch your LLC in minutes. So first of all, you gotta pick your entity. In our case, it's LLC. If you're using any nonprofit organization or S corporation, C corporation, you can do that as well. But for this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create an LLC or start an LLC in Florida. So you're gonna click on LLC, and then you're going to select your state. In our case, it's Florida, so I'm going to select Florida. If you are, within any other state and you wish to navigate that, there are numerous states over here, so you can select the one that you want. And then you're going to click on Start My Business. Once you do so, you will be redirected to another interface of registering your LLC. Now, here you'll be redirected to the pricing interface. Now, there are 3 plans. One is basic one that is completely free, but you have to pay the $125 state fee. It has a processing time of 3 weeks. It has the free features such as preparing and filing the articles of organizations, free first year registered agent service, free first month of virtual address service, and also some free features such as online access dashboard, business banking account offer, and business tax consultations. It has some additionally paid features that you have to pay additionally for those features, such as expedited filing, business contract templates, EIN business tax number, operating agreement, and IRS Form 2553. The next plan is standard one, which is $199 addition to state fee. It has processing time of 3 weeks. It has all the features that the basic plan includes, and additionally, it has EIN business tax number, and that is also free. And we have lifetime compliance alerts that the basic plan didn't include, and unlimited phone and email support. And then the premium one has everything that the standard plan includes. It's for $299, including the state fees. And then we have 8 days. It means you have to pay $299 in addition to the state fee. So it has everything standard plan includes. Additionally, it has domain name and business email, and also free first year business phone number. So you can simply select any plan you want and then click on get started. Once you do so, you will be redirected to another interface where you're going to fill in your company information. You're going to type in your company name, and then you're going to type in the designator. That can be LLC, LLC, or limited liability company. So select any of the designator and the LLC name. After that, you'll be redirected to an expedite filing information page. So, the typical state filing time for Florida is 3 weeks. If you're in a hurry, Florida offers an expedite filing options as well. Select the filing time that best meets your needs. So, one is the traditional one that has 3 weeks filing time. It is for $0, means you only have to pay for the state fee. But if you want to file your business very quickly, you don't have time. So you can use this one that takes 8 business days filing time, but you have to pay $50 additionally. So simply click on next, and you need to know that if you're using the fast one, you will get the formation date of June 27. If you're using the traditional one, you'll get the formation date of July 17. So simply select one, click on next, and you'll be redirected to contact information page. So you're going to type in your first name, last name, email, and mobile number, and then head over, click on next. After that, you'll be redirected to another interface that is company address information. So you can either choose the professional business address and virtual mail service, or you can use your own address. So either all of your data will be sent to this company, or you can just send them to your own address. And this one will include first month free, and then it will require $29 per month. And you can also cancel it anytime. You can type in your contact address, such as your country, your street address, your address continued that is optional, your city, state, and zip code. So simply select all of these and click on next. And then you'll be redirected to Business Formation Kit interface. So you're going to select Premium Service Package. You can either choose an upgrade for only $99 to receive these 5 premium services. One is EIN, and then we have operating agreement, banking resolution, 25 plus contract library. So you can select all of these. The subtotal is $390, but you're getting a package discount of $291, and you can get the package total for $99. So if you want that, you can click on get limited time offer. If you don't want it right now, you can click on no thanks, and then you can come back to it later in future whenever you want. And then you got to provide information about members in your LLC. So you're going to select your members, like how many members are there. So you can select this member, and then you can select the individual, whether it's individual or company. You can select the person's first name, last name. For example, I'm going to select the person of whose information I typed down earlier. After that, you'll be redirected to registered agent information page. So you can either, assign Busy as your registered agent free for 1 year, and after that, you have to pay for the registered agent. Or if you wish to act as your own registered agent, you can do that too. Click on next. And then you can get your employee identification number. So if you don't want Busy to obtain it, you can click on no, I don't need Busy to obtain my EIN. Or if you want Busy to obtain it, you would like Busy to obtain your EIN electronically for $70, so you have to pay $70 extra. Now, you'll be asked if you want to set up a small business banking. If you want, you can click on yes, I'm interested. If you don't want it right now, you can click on ask me later and come back to it later. And then we have the delivery options. We have 2 options. One is electronic delivery, instant access once form, and then is FedEx Express, which will require $25 extra. Physically mail my documents to your address. And then you'll be redirected to business tax consultation. So if you want to pay tax, yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation free. Or if you're not interested this time, you can click on no, I'm not interested this time. And then you'll be redirected to another interface of business license permits. So you can select no thanks, I'll do the work myself. Or if you want them to, handle this, you'll have to pay $99 extra. And then you'll be redirected to an interface of order review page. So you can see your name, your contact information, the agent information, company address, member information, and then head over, click on next. After that, you'll be redirected to the payment information page. So you're going to select your credit card or debit card, select the information, type in the cardholder's name, card number, expiry date, CVV or CVC number, select your billing address, and then once done, you're going to head over, click on complete and pay. And that's it. That is basically how you can start your LLC in Florida. So if you're ready to start your Florida LLC today, just click on the link given in the description below in order to sign up using Busy. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.